Alright guys, so on the back here they have these weird tab looking things, and let me just say I'm not a big fan, not a big fan. So what they do is this kind of thing is kind of weird, but they have two of these. I won't show you the box because there's a bunch of stuff on there that I don't want you to see. Because you know, if I'm sending this back, other people want to use the stuff that's on there, and I don't want to show that off. But anyway, once you take that open, you open it up, it looks like this, which is really cool. And you can take the stuff out, which looks like that. It comes with this cool looking thing, which I guess goes around your wrist, and the watch itself. We'll open that up in the next video, so yeah, thanks for watching.
Likey.